Our focus question, the dot plot below represents the shoe sizes for some of the players on the Cleveland Indians baseball team. Using the graph, we're going to determine the mode of the given data. So first, we're going to type our numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's figure out what these numbers even are. So if we take a look, there's one shoe size of 10. Two people have 10 and a half. Three people have a size of an 11. And then two people have a 12. So if we put them in order, we have a 10, 10 and a half, 10 and a half, 11, 11, 11, and 12. The mode, remember, is the number we see the most of. So what is the number we see the most of? We see 11 3 times. So our mode is going to be 11. And that is it for our focus question. Great job.